welcome everyone to the AWS Theater and this early morning. Thank you for being here. I'm Simona, and today, together with Rajat, the digital commerce leader at ABB Electrification, we would like to tell you how ABB is using AI to transform and innovate and bring value to their business. Before we go into details, let me first say a couple of words about Adastra, who we are and what we do. Adastra is a global IT consulting company. We have been helping our customer bring value through their data for more than 25 years. We have more than 2,000 experts spread around the world, with mainly concentrated in Central Europe and North America, Canada, but we have offices all over the world, so we can help our customer wherever they are and in many languages, so hopefully also the one that your business is using. What is our core business? What do we do most? Our day-to-day business has to do with data. Data is the core of what we do. We can help our customer get the value from their data, starting with strategic visioning, helping building the strategy that will grow the business. We can also help identifying use cases. And of course, throughout the digital transformation from A to Z, helping, of course, building the platform on the cloud to then get the data, harness the value out of it, and of course, applying AI in any stage. And we, of course, now even more than before, with the advent of agentic AI, we can help our customer being secure, have their data properly and implementation properly governed, and scalable. Now, let me pass the word to Rajat.
Thank you, Simona. So I'm here to talk about ABB. I represent ABB Electrification. We live in a world which wants or needs more electricity at this point of time. This is the day and age of energy efficiency and energy transformation. So we need more electricity, we need more clean energy, and that is where ABB Electrification comes in. So we like to talk of ourselves as we are coming between the source to the socket. So what does that mean? Like, if you have a substation in your neighborhood, everything that comes in between that substation to the socket in your wall, we have products there, we have solutions there, like medium and high voltage switchgear, like circuit breakers, like switches, sockets, everything that you can think of. We are a very global company. We are manufacturing in more than 100 countries. We are present in more than 100 countries. And we are doing a lot of innovation in the area of electrification. So if you think of electrification, think of us, ABB. Now, even though we are a product company, we are building electrical product and solutions. The world is also moving towards e-commerce. So even though we are doing a lot of selling of products B2B, B2B e-commerce is growing in a very, very big way in the last years, as you all know. We are in the Amazon booth. Amazon built this in the B2C area. So we are ABB Electrification, revenue-wise about 17 to 18 billion. Out of that, almost more than 50%, which is 10 billion, we do through completely online ordering through marketplaces, etc. So e-commerce in the B2B area for electrical products is really a sector which we are focusing on. And here is where we see a lot of impact that AI can bring to make it easy for our customers to find our products, to configure our products, to get our products, to track the progress of their orders and everything else. So that is how it is all coming together. Why we are here together with AWS, together with Adastra, talking about electrical products, but also e-commerce and AI. So in this session, which is only 15 minutes, but to go through very quickly, we are talking about a partnership. Why a partnership? Because the world is now depending on ecosystems. Ecosystem needs different partners. Every partner brings some specific competence in the table. So here we have ABB. We are deep into electrical energy, into electrical engineering. We get deep domain experience. We know what our customers want in terms of products, in terms of how they want to buy our products. Then we have Adastra, as Simona said, which brings in a lot of expertise on data and AI and analytics, and this is what we are working with them for. But then comes AWS. AWS, what do they bring on the table? They bring like secure, scalable cloud and AI platforms and technologies, and all of this comes together in helping us bring much better solutions to our customers. So today we are talking about, now let's come to the case. What is the use case we are talking about? So you could imagine that we work with a lot of companies who are like distributors or panel builders, and they're building big projects for industrial use cases, for residential use cases, for any kind of other use cases. And when we do projects for them, every project has a lot of our products inside that, which could be circuit breakers, which could be switch gear, which could be anything else. And typically what happens is that for these big projects, there is a large bill of material, which is saying all the things that goes in the project. And at the end of the project, we have to give a documentation, a technical documentation to our customer to go through that. And typically, for large projects, this kind of documentation is more than 1,000 pages, which is unwieldy, difficult to handle, needs a lot of review. There's a lot of back and forth. So what is our problem statement? Our problem statement is that we have to reduce this documentation to only what is specific to that project. Typically, we have manuals which are going thousands of pages, but in a particular project bill of material, if there are specific items, we have to parse this large documents and only bring out the information that is required for this project. Makes it easier for our customers to then browse this kind of a short information, easier for us to handle, send, everything else. So with that, I would hand it over to Simona to talk about the solution that we built together with Adastra and AWS in a little more technical detail.
Thank you, Rajat. So, as mentioned, how did we build a solution? The goal, as just mentioned, is to go from the BOM, so from the bill of material, extract information there, and create an ad hoc PDF tailored to exactly the technical information needed for the customer. Let's quickly go through how it is under the hood. The solution is built in 3 main layers. The first layer that we call the BOM parsing layer gets the bill of material directly from the e-commerce platform that Rajat mentioned. In that first layer, we need to identify and extract all the product and their accessories. We take them out and we then store them properly. In the second layer, the retrieval layer, what we do is once we have identified the specific parts that the customer has selected, we go through all the information that are contained in the 1,000-long manual, 1,000-long publication, very technical publication, and we check which one is related, which one is important for what the customer wants, and which one not. Once we have filtered out everything that is not necessary, we move to the third stage, the stage where we take all the relevant information and through some Gen AI solution, we put them together. We summarize what is needed. We create an ad hoc and tailored PDF documentation that is then provided to the customer. Of course, this document has all the layouts, all that is, and is using a frame that is exactly what the ABB wants. So if you get the shortened version of the documentation, it looks exactly like the original one, just is shortened and contains only the information that are relevant to the customer. Just a couple of extra information. of course, before running the solution that runs every time the customer has sent an order to the e-commerce platform, we need to do some pre-processing. In particular, we need to take this 1,000-long page publication with all the different technical details, and we need to accurately extract the technical information, all the numbers within the tables, the diagrams, and the pictures. And we need to take them, we select, we need to, into technical jargon, vectorize them, and we label them according to which part they are related to, and create a metadata that will then help us in the second layer, the retrieval layer. This is a bit of a pre-work that is there. Every time, of course, the publication changed, this is changed accordingly. Just for the more technical people in the audience, the whole solution is, of course, built in AWS, fully built there, leveraging specific services that are there, such as Textstruct for the extraction of the information, or Bedrock to run the large languages model, and so on. So, as mentioned, thanks to the partnership between ABB, Adastra, and AWS, we were able to create a solution that brings value not only to ABB, but also to the customers of ABB, making it easier to access the e-commerce platform, making it faster for them to retrieve the information they care about. This solution is, just to summarize it, is able to take the information from the bill of material, so the specific product that the customer has selected, identify accurately, and create documentation perfectly tailored to their needs. And instead of the customer, instead of getting thousands and thousands of pages, is now able to obtain 50 to 100 pages that is way easier to go through to get what they care. This solution has been built, of course, on AWS, in the AWS ecosystem, and it's scalable so that we started with one product line, but we can scale to all the product line and in different e-commerce platform.
So just to sum it up, as I said, we are a very large global company. If you ask me how many products do you have, in electrification we have more than 650,000 products. So when we say scaling this solution across our full product line, across all our e-commerce platforms, where we do more than $10 billion of business a year, which was last year's number, through e-commerce, the scaling of this is really important. And I think we have now built a basic kernel of the solution that will help us do this further. So again, I will just highlight that we had to bring together competencies from 3 different areas, from cloud computing and AI, from AWS, from data and analytics from Adastra, and of course ABB bringing like the requirements from the electrical industry and its customers for B2B e-commerce. And this is the solution that we wanted to present today here. Thank you everyone for hearing us out here, and yeah, have a nice day.